In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Steam game updates. If you want more control over when your games update, Steam gives you a simple setting that can help. This is especially useful if you have limited internet bandwidth, if you don't want a game to patch right away, or if you'd rather avoid updates until you're actually ready to play. Keep in mind, this setting doesn't completely disable updates forever, but it does stop Steam from updating the game automatically in the background, and instead waits until you launch it. To get started, open Steam on your computer and make sure the app has fully loaded. Once you're in the main Steam window, look toward the top area and click on Library. This is where all of your installed and owned games are listed, so it's the place where you'll manage update settings for a specific title. Inside your library, find the game you want to change. When you've located it, right-click on the game's name to open the context menu. From that menu, select Properties. This will open a separate settings panel for that game, where Steam lets you manage things like installed files, controller settings, and updates. In the Properties window, click on the Updates section. This is the area that controls how Steam handles patches and downloads for that game. If Steam has been updating a title automatically and you want to reduce that behavior, this is the key section to adjust. Now look for the Automatic Updates option. Open the drop-down menu and choose Only Update this game when I launch it. Depending on how it appears in your version of Steam, it may also be worded similarly, such as waiting until you launch the game. This setting means Steam will hold off on automatic background updates and only apply them when you actually start the game. That's all you need to do. Once you select that option, the change is usually applied right away, so there's no extra save button to worry about. Just close the Properties window when you're done. As a quick tip, remember that if a game requires the latest version to run, Steam may still update it before launching, so this setting is best for delaying updates, not permanently blocking them. If you want to manage multiple games this way, you'll need to repeat the same process for each one individually, and that's how to stop Steam game updates, or more accurately, how to prevent them from happening automatically until you launch the game.